Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your BMW X1. First, prioritize safety by gathering necessary equipment such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and not making contact. Then, open the hood of your BMW X1 and locate the designated jumpstart terminals. These are typically found under a red cover for positive and a metal stud for negative, making the process straightforward and safe. Now let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive cable clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your BMW X1's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign and covered by a red cap. Next, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Double-check that both connections are firm and stable. Next, we'll connect the negative cables. Attach one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Then, connect the other end of the black negative cable to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your BMW X1's engine block or chassis. This provides a good ground connection. It is crucial to avoid connecting this cable directly to the dead battery's negative terminal to prevent sparks. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let its engine run for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery in your BMW X1 to receive a sufficient charge. After this period, try starting your BMW X1. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First the negative from your BMW, then the negative from the assisting car, followed by both positive cables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.